right, Richard. Tell us how you feel regarding notching 4 goals here in a very, very important game for Kingston College.
Well, all was from my teammate. My teammate motivated me. Although we lost the other game, got big motivation from teammates. Everybody motivated us. We came back into this game and we did what we had to do.
Did you think this is the best performance that you've had in a Kingston College shirt?
Yes.
4 goals tonight. An outstanding performance to guide your team into the Champions Cup final, defeating the defending champions. How do you feel about that?
Just a good match, that's all. I'm feeling fine. So.
And obviously the next thing is the finals. What would it mean to finish the season on a high? What would be the penultimate championship to play for this season for everybody? What would it mean to lift that trophy?
Achievement, a good achievement, but that's not my main focus. I'm just here playing. That's not my main focus.
Whisper, the last goal you got a breakaway. 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper. You know what was going to your mind? Were you trying to drag the keeper in that instant? What was going to your mind?
I was gonna control, but I thought I needed goals. So as you can see, they scored back too. If I didn't score that, it would be a tough last minute.
Dujuan, Clarendon College just found out, well, the rest of the schoolboy football fraternity has found that you've been impossible to stop this year. What has made, in terms of your game, has been so dangerous? What has been the difference?
No, there's no difference. That's how I play regularly. Other than the semi-finals the other day, I wasn't stable, but that's how I play regularly.
But health-wise, in terms of feeling good going into the Champions Cup final, you have 2 weeks to prepare.
Yes, I'm healthy.
Are you notching close to 30 goals so far? Tell us how you feel. More to come, or you feel you have accomplished all that you have more to come regarding getting close to 30 goals in a season. How pleased are you with that?
Well, been there, done that. I went to England, scored like 50 goals in like 5 months. So I've been there, it's been there.
Is Dujuan Richards the best schoolboy footballer?
I'm not gonna answer that question.